Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
So are you ready for the next question? Here is your next question. The next question says, how many $25 coin will you get for a 5 rupee coin? Okay, your options are A15, B20, C25 and D30. Okay, so now it's a tricky question. We have learned that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, right? So now we need to find out that how many 25 paise will we be getting for a 5 rupee coin, right? So 25 paise so if it is a 5 rupee, so if it is a 5 rupee, so it will be 5 into 100, which is equal to 500 paise. Okay. Now, how many 25 paise are there in 500 paise? So, which means that 500 divided by 25. So, 25 into 2 is 50 and then comes a 0. So, there are 25 paises in a 5 rupee coin. Where can you find it, children? Option B is the right answer. So, what did we do is, first we converted this 5 rupee into paise and then we divided with it by 25 to count how many number of coins are there in a 5 rupee coin. Okay. So, this comes as 25 paise will be equal to 500 divided by 25, which is equals to 20 coins. Okay. So, ready for the next question? So, here is your next one. The next one says, Sonali earns rupee 180 for moving her uncle's lawn all summer. If her uncle paid her rupee 10 each time she moved how many times did she move? Okay. Your options are 18, option B 24, option C 60 and option D 175. So, the question is easy, right? Sonali earns 180 rupees for moving her uncle's lawn all summer. So, for clearing the lawn, for clearing all the grasses, Sonali gets 180 rupee from her uncle. And her uncle paid her 10 rupee each time she mowed. Okay. So this amount was not given to her in one slot. Each and every time she'll come and she'll clean the garden, her uncle will pay her 10 rupees. So now we need to find out how many times has she cleaned the garden, has she mowed the garden. So what are we going to do, children? So it's a simple division, right? So 180 divided by 10. So 1 time and then 10 into 8 is 18. So which means that she would have mowed 18 times in order to get the amount of 180. Where is 18 here? Yes. So option A is the right answer. Clear? Shall we move to the next question? So here is your next question. Amita wants to buy few things below. Okay. So eraser costs rupee 1.50. Pencil cost rupee 3. Sharpener cost rupee 2.50. Pin cost rupee 0.50 and ruler cost rupee 2. Okay. If she has rupee 5, which of these can she buy? Okay. So it is a tricky question. You don't have any options here. So Amita wants to buy few things. So the cost is given for each and everything. Now this girl is having only 5 rupees with her. So which of these things can she buy? So what we have to do is we need to calculate that which items will come under 5 rupees. So let's take if she is buying the eraser and a pencil. Okay. So cost of the eraser, if we take the first one, eraser plus pencil. Okay. So eraser works out to rupee 1.50 plus pencil works out to rupees 3. Yes. So it will be 4.50. So she has still 50 paise left with her. Is there anything which she can buy in 50 paise? Yes, she can also buy a pin here. So she can, if she adds this 0.5, so in 5 rupees, she can buy 3 items. That is eraser, pencil and a pen. Okay. So now if we try to buy pencil and sharpener, is it possible? Pencil costs 3 rupees, sharpener costs 2.5. So 3 plus 2 is 5 and 50 paise. So which means it is costing me 50 paise extra. So I cannot buy a pencil and a sharpener. Now if I try to buy a sharpener and a ruler, is it possible? So 2 plus 2, 4, 450 and this 50 paise pin. So what things she can buy? She can either buy the eraser, she can buy eraser, pencil and pin, or what else can she buy, children? She can buy a sharpener, ruler and pin. Okay. So she can buy either this or this in this 5 rupee combo. Clear? Shall we move to the next question?